Bangladeshi leather industry. 2010 facts. 13 workers died, 30 workers seriously injured, and hundreds of other accidents were reported. The tanneries and leather sector provide working opportunities for Bangladeshi people, and it is a source of income for more than 30,000 families. Each morning, thousands of workers are starting their day as usual.
পিতার নাম মোহাম্মদ শুকুর মিয়া, থাকি হাজিরিবাগ কালুনগর। কাজ করি করিম লেদার। ওইখানে হর্সে ফিনিশ ডিপার্টে চাকরি করছিল। ওইখানে মনে করেন আপনার গোড়ার মধ্যে ব্যথা পাওয়ার পরে 1 বছর ভালো ছিল। 1 বছর পরে এটা ইনফেকশন হয়েছে, চাংখারপুল গেছি। চাংখারপুল যায় মনে করো ওইখান থেকে অপারেশন করার পরে কায়েমগুল কালো হয়ে গেল, ওইখান থেকে সুরত দিতে পাঠাইলো।
There are risks and hazards in all workplaces.
আমার নাম হইল আব্দুল রহিম, আমার পিতার নাম হইল নুর ইসলাম, দেশের বাড়ি হইল নোয়াখালী, কাজ করি করিম লেদার। আমি করিম লেদার 88 থেকে কাজ করি, যেমন ড্রামে। আমি 6 বছর আগে ড্রামের অ্যাসিড ভিজাইতে যাই, সালভেগ অ্যাসিড 12 কেজি সালভেগ অ্যাসিড বালতিত নিয়ে যাওয়ার সময় ঝিল্লির উপরে পা পড়ে পিছলাই আমার পুরো এক অংশ অ্যাসিডে পুড়ে গেছে।
Most of the accidents happen due to a lack of awareness. Very simple measures can be taken to minimize those risks.
I'm Raful Islam. পিতা কুপুতলি বিপারে করিম লেদারে কাজ করি। এবারে পেলে একজন সুপারভাইজার প্লেটে দিছে, নিয়ে খারাইছি। আলা মালটা তাম দিতে লাগছি, আলা প্লেটে চাপ পড়ছে, আলা চামড়া শুলে আছে গা। এবার চিকুর শুনা মেশিনেতে হেরা আইয়া এবার আমরা সাহায্য করে হেরা ইয়েতে লিয়ে গেছে গা, মেডিকেল লিয়ে গেছে গাড়ি দিয়া।
Safety and health can only be ensured by knowing the risk. The 4 main causes include working environment, chemicals, machines and equipment, and people. The working environment influences the workforce behavior and practices and can indirectly cause accidents or health risk. Such factors include disorder at the workplace, noise, temperature and humidity, and lighting. Chemical substances applied during the leather production can have an impact on safety and health. Faulty design and poor maintenance can lead to events which may result in an accident. Poor electrical installation was especially identified as a very high risk threatening safety. Managers, supervisors, workers, and all staff should be aware of the risks and dangers. Only then can they follow good work practices and be able to respond properly in case of an emergency. Otherwise, there are unnecessary accidents, and in some cases, only luck can prevent serious accidents and injuries. But luck is not always there. Improving the occupational safety and health aspects of leather manufacturing for Bangladeshi companies is one of the objectives of this project. The reduction of environmental threats and the increase of exportability in the Bangladeshi leather sector are funded by the European Union. The United Nations Industrial Development Organization, in close cooperation with all of the project partners, prepared an extensive training program for local experts. Starting with the working environment, several drums were modified to reduce the noise. With simple modifications, the noise from the drums was reduced from 90 to 95 decibels to 65 to 70 decibels. The electrical installation is an additional danger, and in several cases, serious accidents were reported. Several tanneries have already installed appropriate electrical installation to reduce the possible risk. To reduce the risk of the impact of exposure to subchemicals, managers, supervisors, and workers were trained on the use of personal protective equipment. Using appropriate personal protective equipment results in less negative effects on human health from the chemicals, including fewer diseases and less accidents. Safety devices, fences or covers, serve as a barrier and prevent the contact of workers with moving machine parts. Also, thanks to the RETIE project, tannery owners and managers took serious steps and measures to improve the working conditions in Bangladeshi tanneries. Some results are already visible and resulted in the reduction of accidents. Nevertheless, it is a long-term process, and local experts, tannery owners and managers will continue to implement the necessary improvements in order to ensure that all workers will return safely from their jobs. The aim of this project is to convert hides into exportable products without jeopardizing the environment and by improving working conditions. Therefore, it also contributes to poverty reduction. The project is co-funded by the European Union and implemented by the project partners